Good morning, everyone. We're pretty much packed and going to be heading off in the next 20 minutes or so to the Great Wolf Lodge. Yay, the Great Wolf Lodge. It's going to be so much fun. The girls have so much fun going down all the water slides, and hopefully I'll be able to catch a lot of it and record a lot of it. So off we go. We're going to have a great time. It's Diesel's first time having to spend the night somewhere. You know, after he came home from the NICU, this is his first time spending the night somewhere other than his own house. So we'll see how the hotel goes. We got a pack and play for him, so we'll see how he sleeps in that tonight. Where are you guys at, little wolves?
Great Wolf Lodge!
Did you find it yet, Samaya? Alright, we just checked in our room. When you walk in the door, here's the bathroom. Basic bathroom. And they got a sink, and this is where the girls are going to be staying. They each got a queen bed, a fridge, and a microwave. Yeah, she brought her stuffed animals. Each girl packed their own backpack with their treasures. Then you have a couch and a mirror above. And then there's a nice table here to sit at and eat. They have their own TV, and there's a little patio area. And then we have a separate bathroom and sink and a king bed, a couple chairs. We brought the pack and play for Diesel, and we have our own TV as well. One thing just going with the Great Wolf Lodge feeling is like all the wood accents. They kind of make it look like a cabinish, I guess. They have all the animal pictures on the wall and the lamps. Look at the detail on the lamps. We have moose lamps. And then this lamp over here is cute. It's snowshoes lamp. And then even like the drawers, the pullouts they have like a wood accents all on them. But all in all, we came down to the Waterpark area. Diesel's just hanging out in his stroller, in his car seat part of the stroller. And they're actually not that busy today, which is awesome. So we found a nice table, and it's right by the wave pool, and the girls went swimming there. And then we're gonna hit up some of the water slides. Here's Diesel and I. Standing in the wave pool, ankle deep, watching the girls swim right now. Diesel. Yeah. He looks so cute in his little swimsuit. Maya. There's the girls swimming in the wave pool. Swim lessons definitely paid off. They're going on their first slide of the trip. This is how they carry the tube up the stairs. Hear them screaming, so I know it's them. Yep, it was. Maya's kind of sinking in there. There's Maya coming down by herself. Here comes Amara. Smile's right in the way, trying to wave to her. I cannot believe how big they're getting now. Carry up their tubes by themselves, go down by themselves, no problems. Alright, we're walking to a different water slide that you go down on mats head first. So you want to do this. But here's a little kid area. I might bring Diesel here later once JB comes down. That looks fun, like a little splash area. I missed them coming down last time, so I want to catch them this time. They came down separate. Not them yet. Look how fast they go down. My girls will go on this. Last time we were here, they went on it like 10 times. And there's Amara. This is the lazy river area. They have so much fun going around, and then you carry your tube up and go down the slide over there. I was noticing these, I think they're totem poles, right? They look really cool. The carvings. It's so neat. That's Maya. There she is. Came down. There she is. Mara's way up on top, waiting to come down, waiting to get on the slide. She's up next. Here she comes. Just kind of sinking in the hole of it. These ones are smaller, but actually when you get down you're not on a tube, so it's harder to get out.
That was why I went like this when I was going down.
This is like for the little ones over here. They have some little tiny slides. Diesel should be able to do that in a couple of years.
We follow nature's plan. This is what we all must understand.
Animals are smart.
We're as different as night and day.
But in the forest here, that's quite okay. Oh, the rhythm of nature keeps us working together in harmony. The rhythm of nature, the rhythm of nature, and the rhythm of nature will be keeping time for all eternity.
We won't miss a beat.
Books we hope the rest of you do too who haven't heard it before. As we gather around the fire with our friends and family, I look around and wonder how the Great Wolf Lodge came to be. In truth, it's a good story, quite an interesting tale. And the story begins with two of our friends, the Beaver brothers, Tooth and Nail. Tooth and Nail are different, as brothers can sometimes be.
Because of the wisdom of the great black wolf.
Alright, we're at the restaurant Great Wolf, and the girls each got half a rack of ribs. They got the big platter. And Daddy and Mommy got the small sandwiches.
Here's the napkin.
Looks good.